so you make it touch your dance.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I just wanted to say the company wanted me to show you guys the packaging, but I was so busy I did not even remember to show the packaging. That's the only reason the packaging is not showing, but yeah. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my sleek bone straight hair. This hair is provided by Cynosure Hair. This is their Peruvian Body Wave 24-inch wig. It is 220% density and it's $175.51, I believe. I did cut this hair just because I had to trim it. Right here, I'm going in with my BioSilk oil. This is the $20 one. I really like the $18 one. So, yeah. Right here, I'm just doing a quick little plucking because I did pluck this hair. I pluck all my wigs because if you don't, your wig is just going to look crazy. I have not, well, besides like this one other hair company that I got wigs from. But you'll be having to pluck it still. Like, if you don't pluck it, you're finna look crazy. I really do recommend doing your straight hair on your mannequin head. Well, I recommend that for myself because if I try parting my middle part on my head, it's gonna be crooked. Right here, I'm taking some hair from the frontal and I'm just going to hot comb that onto the tracks in the back just for when the wind blows that I'm going to be unclockable. Even if I'm doing curly hair, I do this step because I do not want the wind blowing my hair and you seeing all my tracks in the back. So I make sure I mold that to the back of my head. So that's all I'm doing right here. My hot comb, my flat iron will be linked in my description box. This is what I use every single time. So I'm just going ahead and flattening out the hair. I like doing this on the mannequin head as well because when it's on your head, the heat from the tools will like steam through and you will feel like you're getting burned. So I like doing it on the mannequin head. So I also did not get to tell y'all, I did go in with my Carrot Care wax stick and my heat protectant, but the footage got deleted. So yeah, right here I'm just doing the hair in sections. So I'm just sectioning it off so I can speed through it quicker than if I just have like all the hair down. This is my Babyliss Nano Pro flat iron. It's a 1.5 inch flat iron. I did get this from Sally's. I got it on sale actually around like sometime early this year. Like right after my birthday, that's when I got this flat iron. So I'm just going ahead and straightening it. When I straighten my hair, I really love doing it on my mannequin head because I can take my time. And you really want to take your time straightening because the slower you pass the flat iron, the sleeker the hair will be. You don't want to pass it too fast because then you're going to feel like you need to do 2 passes and you really only need 1 pass. I do recommend a thicker like flat iron because mine is a 1.5 inch, so I recommend a 1.5 or anything bigger because then you will like speed through it more quickly instead of having like a 1 inch flat iron and then you have to take smaller sections. I like this thick flat iron because then I could do big sections. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just gonna play some music because this is very self-explanatory. I'm literally just going down the hair really slow to get it as sleek as possible.
Something about it, there's something exciting, you got it, you did it. And we ain't gotta waste no time. Just relieve the stress that's on your mind. So tell me your secret, shorty, I can keep it. These niggas can vibe, but they will never feel you like I do. Relax your mind while we smoke this weed. I'ma take your body, shorty, all I gotta say is, you know that you can get it, girl. You know that you can get it, girl. I'm feeling your vibe whenever you roll with me. It's took so long to know this, shorty. All I gotta say is, you know that you can get it, girl. You know that you can get it, girl.
Hair, when I was doing the hair, I got a little bit irritated because I noticed that the hair has a lot of flyaways. So I'm just showing you the flyaways in the frontal, and I'm not really gonna call it flyaways. They're like short pieces of hair. So I would recommend to the company to work on that because it's really irritating. Right here, I'm just going ahead and flat ironing out the frontal. Right here, if you have a frontal already that's like this, you will go ahead and add some of your wax stick. I use the Cara Care wax stick. And I also use my heat protectant to make sure that's super sleek, because that will irritate the crap out of me. Like, it was actually making me mad. So right here, I'm just making sure that it's flattening out proper. And then I did go back in and check my flat iron, and I noticed that there's pieces of burnt plastic on my flat iron. And my flat iron is brand new. Like, I always clean my flat iron every single time, and this flat iron was spanking new, and now it has a little bit of stuff. So Cynosure Hair, y'all need to get it together, because the hair is actually burning onto the flat iron. So just wanted to let y'all know that. This hair did come out mad sleek, but I mean, with doing the process that I showed you guys, your hair will come out sleek regardless. So even if you have hair that's not amazing, it's gonna look popping if you do exactly what I showed you. Right here, I'm just trimming off the ends because I love my hair to have like a nice blunt end. So I'm just trimming it out and then shearing it out really, really nicely. And that's basically it. I did go back in and I like bumped the ends a little bit just to make sure that it's nice and seamless. And I laid this wig off camera with some spritz. So all I'm doing right here is just sealing off the lace in the front with the spritz. And I did go back in and tie it down. I didn't show you guys that, but I'm just making sure everything is perfected. I do have a lot of videos on my channel installing wigs, so I didn't feel like it was necessary to install this one in this video, because I already showed y'all how I got it really, really sleek. Alright, you guys, so we're coming to the end of the video. I'm just making sure that everything is looking bomb. All the links to this hair will be in my description box. This is Cynosure Hair, so just wanted to say that one last time. The links, everything will be in the description box. And I just wanted to say this is a really, really affordable wig. So if you're looking for affordable wig, you already know how quality for affordable wigs, so you can't complain. All the links will be in the description box. It's straightened really well, so I guess that was a good thing. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that really, really quick before I ended off this video. But thank you so much, and if you love this video, give me a orange heart in my comment section, and I'll know that you love videos like this. I also, the video before this one is my glueless install, so if you're interested in that, click the eye that's popping up on the video. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.
So you make it touch your dance, I fuck your feel personal.